ready to translate the celestial movements into a captivating online presence for your astrological practice. Let's build a stunning astrology website in WordPress, step by step, to connect you with clients worldwide. First, we need a theme that screams cosmic head to appearance, then themes, and click Add New Search for keywords like astrology or spiritual, and find a theme that resonates with your brand's energy. Install and activate your chosen theme for that immediate otherworldly feel. Now for the magic. We'll add plugins to bring your astrology site to life. Go to Plugins, then Add New for Horoscopes, search for Astrology Horoscopes, and install a well-rated option. We'll also need a contact form. WP Forms is a great choice, and for client management, look for Client Portal plugins. Time to create your core pages. Navigate to Pages, then Add New. Start with an About Me page, detailing your astrological expertise and approach. Then, create a Services page, clearly listing your offerings like birth chart readings, transit analysis, or custom consultations. For horoscopes, you'll likely use the shortcodes provided by your horoscope plugin. Simply paste these into a dedicated horoscopes page or sidebar widget. Think daily, weekly, or monthly readings to keep visitors engaged and coming back. Make it easy for clients to reach you. Go to your contact form plugin settings and design a simple, professional form for inquiries. Embed this onto your contact. Use Pay. Client management is key. Configure your chosen client portal plugin to handle bookings, payments, and perhaps secure client notes, creating a professional space for your practice. Let's personalize your site. Go to Appearance, then customize. Play with the fonts to evoke a sense of wisdom or mystery, and choose a color palette that aligns with the celestial theme. Blues, purples, and golds often work beautifully. Finally, preview your work. Ensure everything looks cohesive, intuitive, and truly captures the essence of your astrological services. Your professional online astrology haven is ready to welcome clients.